Hey guys, this is Mr. Techolic back again. So today we have iPhone X with me, and as you know, I do like unique products. So this is the first iPhone with bezel-less display. So let's see what is the branding. So iPhone. So nothing much on the sides, and on front there's a cool looking device. At the back we have 64 GB version here. So a few more specification here. Importing from China, assembled in California. So what does it include? It includes iPhone X, AirPort with lightning connector, lightning to headphone jack adapter, lightning to USB cable, and USB power adapter. So that's pretty much it. Let's dive inside and see what comes. And so I will be true that I was using this device from a couple of months, so you might see already the tempered glass installed and skin installed. So this is the documentation. So first thing inside is documentation, and this is the SIM ejector tool, simple steel one. Then few documentations about how to use this, because this is the first one coming with bezel-less display and it doesn't even have Touch ID, so you need to be using the Face ID as states here, and a couple of gestures to use the phone. Next we have simple guiding instructions, regulatory instruction, and yeah, couple of Apple logos. And then we have the device itself. Let me pull it out. Yeah, so I have a skin installed, but it's white in color, dual camera here, one LED light, and on front this is the whole display. So let me boot it up for you and to show first look inside. So here comes the display. In the time being when it boots up, let's see other stuff. So we have AirPods. So it is a wired AirPods, but with the connector of lightning port, because the new iPhones are not having the 3.5mm jack. So this is the lightning ones. Then we have the USB to lightning charging cable, and we have an adapter, Indian adapter. Let's see what are the ratings here. So it can't focus as such because of the bright night. Let me try. No, it can't. Let me read it out for you. It's a Apple adapter with the input 1 to 240 volt and the output is 5 volt 1 ampere. So it's a normal simple charger, but quite small. Looks good. So that's pretty much all. So it's booted up. Let me show you the first look. So it is a Face ID, so I have a code. Let me put the code, and there we go. So this is how you scroll through multiple stuffs, and then that's the device. Steel sides, pretty good looking. Thank you all for watching. I will be back with another video with some unique products. Peace.